Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to math for today. Let's get out our calendar and get started. We have several days to add to our calendar because Friday was a holiday and we didn't do any lessons on Friday. So we have a lot of writing to do. We've got to get to here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And now we have 10. 110, 0 loose ones. And now we have 11, 110, 1 loose ones. We have the 12th, 110, 2 loose ones. And we have today. Can you tell me what the number pattern will be for today? Good job. 110, 0, 110, 1, 110, 2, 110, 3. Today is Monday, April 13th, 2020, that's the date. Let's turn the page and see what the weather is for today. And as I look up into the sky, it's kind of a dreary morning. It's very, very, very cloudy, and it looks like it's going to rain at some point. So let's work on our pattern for our calendar. Blue, purple, pink. Blue, purple, pink. Blue, purple, pink. Blue, purple, pink. Blue, blah, blah, blah. A, B, C. A, B, C. A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, blah, blah, blah. And let's talk about what color will be today for cloudy. Blue, purple, pink. Excellent. So let's color that pink. Anybody have a birthday? Not over the weekend, but we have another birthday this week. Colin's birthday is on Thursday. So I'll be sending home your birthday cake today. Please make sure that you color a birthday cake for Colin and send me a picture of you with your birthday cake. Don't forget to have a wish on your birthday cake, okay? Anybody lose a tooth? I haven't gotten any emails. I only have Avery and Ziana, so just 2 friends. So let's go ahead and add a box for today. Ready? Count, count, count by tens, count, count, count by tens, count, count, count by tens. I can count to 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100 is our goal. Yeah! So let's count how many days we've been in school today. Here we go. 100, 110, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128. And how would you write the number 128? You start with your biggest group, go to the next biggest group, and then go to the smallest group. So we've got one big group of 100, 2 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 loose ones. 1 100, 2 tens, 8 loose ones. 1 100, 2 tens, 8 loose ones. Okay, I'm going to put my calendar away for today because I'm not going to need it. And today we're going to start something called fact fluency. Yikes, what is that? Well, it's time to learn our number facts, just like that, just like sight words. We've got to get ready for first grade. And this is a really big part of first grade, is just knowing your number facts. So we're going to start with that today, and we're going to play a game. So we're going to start our number facts with something called adding 0. Now, you know that when I have a number bond that looks like this, and let's just say, this is not a good color. Sorry, the purple really isn't dark enough. I got to stop pulling that. If I have the number Uh-oh, I think it dried out. Oh no, my marker dried out. Oh. Okay. If I have a 3 in the part and a 0 in the other part, you know that I'm going to grab the part and count on to figure out the whole, because a number bond is the part plus the part equals the whole. So let's grab the 3 and count on. 3, there's nothing to count on. So anytime you're adding 0 to a part, the answer, this number, is always in the whole. Anytime you add 0 to a number, the answer is always the other number, because you're not adding anything. You have your part, you're not adding anything, and your answer, the number in the whole, is the same as the number in the part. Okay? So this should be pretty easy for us today. Now, I have a worksheet that you don't have to print. I'm going to send it to your families. It looks like this. Okay, there's a bear here, and it says add 0, cover up. Now, if you don't have a printer, you can draw. I think I'll just draw a picture of me. Let's see. Let's just pretend I don't have a worksheet. So I'm going to draw a real quick picture of me. Put me in the center. And I have blue eyes. There we go. And let's just say, here's my shirt. Remember how we make good drawings to make it look like people. And I'm wearing blue pants today that you can't see, so I'll add my pants. Okay? And now I can just make a whole bunch of circles. And you're going to need a lot of them. So I can totally make my own worksheet without a printer. And on the inside, I'm going to write some numbers. Like 5 and 3, nothing more than 6. Only numbers 1 through 6 for this activity today. Okay? And then I can use my worksheet that I created myself. But I'm going to flip it back over and use this one. You're going to need 1 die, just 1. You don't need 2. You only need 1 for this activity today. And you're going to need just a whole bunch of crayons. It doesn't matter what colors you choose, just a bunch of crayons. Okay? So I have a bunch right here. And I'm going to roll the die. And I landed on 2. So now I'm going to add 0 to this number. So 2 plus 0 more equals just 2. Because anytime you add 0 to a number, the answer is always the other number. So I'm just going to color in a 2. Because that's the answer that I got. And I'm going to roll again. And I got a 2 again. 2, and now add 0. 2 plus 0 more equals 2. Good job. Color in another 2. Take your time to color in the whole spot. And now I'm going to roll. And I have the number 5. So 5 plus 0 equals 5. Good job, because anytime you add 0 to a number, the answer is always the other number. I'm going to roll again, and I have a 4. 4 plus 0 more equals 4. Good job. And now let's work on, almost lost my die, a 6. 6 plus 0 more equals 6. Anytime you add 0 to a number, the answer is always the other number. Now I have 6 again. 6 plus 0 equals 6. Boy, you're getting good at this. And you can roll along with me if you're working on this game. 3 plus 0 equals 3. Good job. Anytime you add 0 to a number, the answer is always the other number. Roll again. Ooh, 1 plus 0 more equals 1. You must be thinking, Mrs. Gardner, this has got to be the easiest game we've ever played. But it's a good math fact fluency game. 3 plus 0 equals 3. Yay! 3 plus 0 equals 3. And 6. 6 plus 0 equals 6. And you can continue on working on this page. Anytime, I'm just going to slide this over. Anytime you have the math sentence, 5 plus 0 equals, it's going to be the other number. You have 5, but you're not adding any more, so the answer is 5. And even if I said 10 plus 0, if I had 10 M&Ms and I didn't get any more, I would still have 10 M&Ms. And now here's a challenge for you today to see if you can answer this. If I have the number 100 and I add 0 to it, what would the answer be? That's today's challenge. If you can think of the answer of 100 plus 0 equals what? I want you to write it down and take a picture of yourself with your answer and send it to me today. Okay? Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.